Alright, in this video, I'm going to be solving one of the SAT practice question. Now, this particular question is under arithmetic. And in this case, we are going to be interpreting a statement and, turning it into a mathematical equation or expression, depending on the nature of the question. This particular question says that twice the product of m and n decreased by the square of the sum of m and n. Now, when you hear the word product is the result gotten from multiplication, and there are cases whereby you interpret from the first statement or the middle statement or the last statement, depending on the nature of the problem. So twice the product of m and n. So let's get the product of m and n. The product of m and n will be what? M times what? N, which is what? Mn. Now it says that twice the product. So twice this particular product will give us what? 2 what times what? Mn, and that will give us what? 2mn, right? Decreased by the square of the sum. Now, before we can get the square of the sum, we need to get the sum. So the sum of m and n will give us, sum basically is the result gotten from addition. That will be what? M plus what? N. So decreased by the square. So square of the sum, square of what? Sum is the same thing as what? M plus n, then what? Then square, right? So let's now go back to the connecting statement. Twice the product of m and n, this is twice the product of m and n, decreased by the square of the sum of m and n. Square of the sum of m and n is this. So the word decrease in this case means what? 2mn, which we got here, minus what? M plus n, then square. So this is the correct answer to this problem. So looking at this option B is correct. That's 2mn minus what? M plus n square. So the correct option to this question is what? Option B. So in the next video, we are still going to be looking at another question for the SAT. See you in the next video. Thank you.